Oh, you we're going to. Hello. So how am I right now?
Who wants to see a boring oil change when you can get a mishap like this?
I've been on it every day. I got money on my mind. Now they better pay me, but they wanna see me way down.
You just admitted.
Overthinking every night, think I'm going crazy. Don't know what else I should say now. Early mornings late.
What are we doing today, Brandon?
Oil change.
Hello there.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is the Mexican Jeep oil change. Yeah. So, what makes a Mexican oil change different than a standard oil change, Brandon?
Well, one, you gotta get your back wet.
Yeah,
so.
it is raining.
Now, can I ask Brandon?
What?
We offer to reschedule when it's not raining. Why did you insist on doing it today?
I want my beer right now.
This is a key difference between a standard oil change and a Mexican oil change. I'm paying him in beer.
24-pack Modelos.
The only thing with Mexicans, there's only one beer, and it is Modelo. Hey Dylan, when I say beer, what comes to mind?
Oh, Corona.
Really?
Michelob Ultra.
I think my favorite part about today is the fact that Brandon is wearing his gym shorts from middle school, I believe.
Yeah.
Fit for life. All right, what are you doing? Isn't this gonna like scrape? Oh, this just seems. This just doesn't.
A little bit more.
Oh my God! Stop!
Reverse.
What the hell? You got the parking brake on.
Wait, go up a little bit.
I feel like something's locked up.
So when this kid was in here, he was
the
pressing every
triangle button.
button.
I was not pressing.
He was pressing every button, opening every fucking hatch. He pressed the fucking parking thing.
I did not. I pressed this and I opened it.
Look, he's still doing it.
I know when I pressed.
This is why white people shouldn't work on cars.
So, do you want to wait for dry weather?
If you want to, yeah, I don't mind.
I highly recommend
Dylan's the biggest dumbass right now. Pulling out parking.
I didn't press the fucking parking brake.
I don't know if I trust him with sitting in the passenger seat. Of course. I hate that what came on.
If you are Mexican, please do not be offended by this video. Dude, it's just like prom night trying to find a spot. Oh,
No, that's actually John March right there.
I'll take it. What can,
God damn it, your car's like farting.
what can we mess with Dylan's car today?
Oh Lord. No, cause look, we're in another group chat, right? And they always make that fucking joke. And I'm always like, could you stop? No.
Legit did not know, dude. I legit had to.
Now I know Brandon's gonna tell everyone in the chat. Even they know. Get the out of here. God, I'm gonna kill myself, Dylan. I'm gonna jump in front of that car just and splatter all over the goddamn road like a goddamn coyote.
It's green, you asshole! You on that hinge there, Brandon? What's the Mexican dating app?
Home Depot?
Find a contractor at Home Depot. Come on, bro, you can take his ass. Faster!
Swerve into his rear tire and make him spin out of it.
Pit maneuver. Oh, whoa.
You know, it's funny because they wanted to do it, but as soon as he starts going over.
Oh, yo, roll the window down on the left side, Dylan. We'll tell us got a race.
On the left side?
Yeah. You retard, this is right side. Dude, we got this anime sticker.
No.
Yeah, bitch! Get in the back! That's right! Woo! Oh! You fucker broke my knee. I'm gonna fucking kick your ass. Alright, folks. For some reason, we're going to Minnie's Beverage Depot. I just threw up in Dylan's car, sorry. The Mexican oil change revisited now that it has stopped raining. That's not a problem at all.
Let's go.
Whoa. Okay, very slowly now. Oh, okay, stop. All right, you're on the ramp. You're halfway up. All right, stop. Yeah. If you ever...
The only help I will be to the car people of this channel is I can identify the automobile. This is the Jeep, yes?
Yeah, look. So the thing is, I bought the wrong one socket.
Excellent.
I do have this one though.
Okay.
So I'm not too worried about that.
Milwaukee, dude.
Oh yeah.
Sponsored. Look at that. Filter.
They are.
There's the filter boys and girls.
How long have you been doing car stuff?
4 days. 5 years.
5 years, okay.
Everything on that car has been done by me.
Let's see the difference in color between the used and the new.
Oh my
Oh, wow.
God. The Caucasian and...
I was not going to go there. But, hey, Grandpa, can you tell us some stories about the war?
You have it in here.
He got me there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna throw it back in here.
And
New
tighten it
filter,
up?
new gasket.
Cool.
We're actually going to just leave it open for now. Because when we open up the drain plug, it's going to help let loose all the oil.
So Brandon, how many quarts of oil does this beast take?
5.9 quarts.
All right, Brandon.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
Doing an oil change.
So you're undoing the drain plug and the oil's just going to start dumping out, huh?
Yeah. Or give me the little wrench over there.
Little wrench. Ah, here we are.
How often do you go to the junkyard?
Very often.
You go to the junkyard and you go buy some. Dude, Milwaukee. Talk about baller.
The Milwaukee Bucks are going to lose the NBA championship this year, I promise you. Suns in 4.
Man. You have like a small tube I could throw in here?
Like a breaker bar kind of thing?
Yeah. That's on your tight.
Let's find out. What? Oh God. Oh my God.
No, mom, this way.
Híjole. What's the dog's name?
Lucy?
Lucy the dog.
Oh, Jesus.
That's pretty much a... See you later, dog. This guy's got a kitchen in the basement? Dude.
Yes, sir.
For real, dude. This is so nice. The Patron and everything. What? What's up? Uh-oh. Oh, God. Hey, dog. What's good? Oh. Hello. How are you today? See you later, Dylan. What is that? Is that a traditional...
Mexican war.
Dude, that's the great thing about having an ethnic person's house. They just have so much weird stuff. Does your impact work for that?
I mean, it would, but it's placed like straight back.
Ah.
So it's not like down.
We have the proper tool now. Maybe. What are your thoughts on this process?
My only concern is if he destroys it, how am I going to explain this to my father?
Dude, it is not budging.
Oh.
Not in a good way.
All right,
You're the
status
moving car.
update. Status update. As you can see, that is oil
Yes, sir.
that is leaked from the engine. So Brandon could not get the oil drain plug completely off, so he went to his house to get more tools. Esteban started the car to roll up the window. Open the hood. I just want to see something.
I mean, that grass is already dead.
Oh, Oh,
What happened?
I think it leaked from here. I think it leaked from the top.
What does that mean?
Oh, There's like oil like in here,
Mm-hmm.
but it leaked from the top and came down. That's why.
So how f***ed am I right now?
Not too bad. It's fine.
That is John's way of saying, oh, it's pretty bad.
You know, when the car starts, it goes like that through the filter, but the filter wasn't screwed in, so it was just spraying out, and then it went down there.
Brandon's going to come back, what the f***? God damn it.
He's back, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna break the news to him. So, what would happen if we started the car at the state that it was left
Jesus
in?
Christ.
Look,
Well,
look
roll
here.
the window up. The rain was coming down.
All right,
Why
so
do you need to start the car? You can put the car in.
That's
on.
what
Dumbass.
all right, so
Oh my
all right,
God.
so
Hey, we turned it off immediately.
yeah, it was like 5
Yeah,
seconds.
it was 5 seconds.
5 seconds, dude. The oil pump starts in 1 second.
We know,
In 4
we know.
seconds. Oh my God. Dude, this was like a nice dry engine. Dude, you got all that wet.
Here,
And it was all dry before, bone dry.
It's not.
Are you fucking serious?
What's the status, Brandon?
The fact that it got pushed out means that oil spit out here.
Yeah, but I mean, it's the oil pan's in the bottom, so I don't think it ever ran dry.
No, it didn't.
So that the engine should be fine, but it's just a matter of a mess. We got a little rainbow going here.
I told him not to step in it. Look.
We got Rainbow Man. All right, folks. The goal of this has not become change oil now, just get it drivable again. We have the oh crap. We have the dipstick. We're gonna check the oil level. Yeah, that's not water.
But look, the grass here is already dead.
Yeah, can't get anywhere. Do we see any oil?
Bone dry.
Okay.
No idea how fucking angry I am at you right now. The sheer thought of you turning on your engine.
You know, you live and you learn. That's all. This might as well just be considered an oil change because apparently almost all the oil just leaked out already. So it's free.
Now let me explain the time frame that we have with the oil here. My dad is at a party. I'm not expecting him home until like 2 a.m.
All right, we're gonna start the car after refilling for 4 quarts of oil. Let's see how it sounds.
Saturdays are for the boys.
A little low now.
Yeah, a little low.
What do you think? Just drive it there or drive around the block?
Wouldn't hurt to get around the block. Right. It's so close.
It's good enough for me.
To be fair, we would have had to fill up the oil anyway at the end. It's just we saved a step. Didn't have to drain it. Might not be as funny of a joke to Brandon, but
Is not. Dude, the fact that we're nearly empty. I'm concerned for this boy's
Yeah.
engine.
It's a Jeep Cherokee, bro. They're known for their
Reliability.
for sure. There, that's healthy.
See, but now Brandon has training on how he's gonna yell at his son in the future.
Dude, did you just empty? Oh my god.
Yo!
Oh, full ass oil change.
Head ass over here, boy.
Dude, you just saved a step. That's pretty good. The oil's working around in there now. All the crankshaft. Not too bad. Basically, the engine just spit out all of its available oil. Yeah, that's oil. So normally, like if it was my dad, he wouldn't care like that there's oil in the driveway, but this is a Mexican father, which is why it's such a big deal. Cultural lessons 101 with the Automobozos. In summary, Esteban got a legitimate full oil change, at least for a millisecond. The car ran with legitimately zero oil in the car. But that's not a problem. So I consider that a success. Brandon may disagree.
You guys don't understand how much I owe Brandon now.
The fact that this man has a legitimate Mexican father makes this even more dire.
I was explaining to them how strict my mom and dad are. So as you can imagine, I'm panicking.
We're probably the only people ever to use a pressure washer in a torrential downpour. But the oil must come off. Here we go. Look at that. Yeah.
Incredible.
Just the sheer ridiculous downpouring. Pressure washer.
But my neighbors right now are probably going, what the f*** is going on over there? Yeah, the grass is already dead.
It can't get any worse.
Dude, look. This makes me think that this has happened in the past.
So the main principle here is that water and oil don't mix. So like you would think the oil is like on top of the water, right? And is that, no. Oh, actually. Never mind.
We're not smart.
Only on Automobozos.
This is the smartest guy on this
Like,
channel.
comment, and subscribe. Quality content. Who wants to see a boring oil change when you can get a mishap like this, huh?
It's trying. It's trying.